All right, tonight I'm going to be taking a look at the HumidAir 11 tank. This is by Resmed for the Resmed AirSense 11. I'm also going to be doing a 3-month service, which is going to include everything here. This is all Resmed products. This is the AirTouch F20, the Resmed F20 Headgear. We also have the ClimateAir 11 heated hose. The mask you have to replace once a month, and then the filter you have to replace every week or two. So because we're doing a 3-month service, we're also going to replace both of those. We can't see it is marked for distilled water only, so you only want to use distilled water in here. You don't want to be adding anything to the air. We also have a good rubber seal here on the end. I think this is a silicone. It pops open from the side and you can see that metal plate on the bottom. So that's the important part because that's going to allow this to create the mist for the humidifier so that you're not waking up with a sore, dry throat. And I do make aftermarket tanks for this, but I only get the Resmed ones because it's very important that all of this be in proper tight tolerances so you don't have any leaks. We can see that this does say HumidAir 11 on the front. It's got that water droplet marker. We got a button on top and we got all the proper tubing on the inside. So first let's disassemble. So I'm going to press in and pull out that old tank. I'm actually going to save this just in case anything happens to the new one. I'm going to press and pull on the hose. That just pops right out. Because this is the heated hose, you do see these contacts on the top. This is going to pop out right here. Just press in on that and then it pops out like that. Now this is the only part that we're not going to be replacing today, so I'm going to wash this out with warm soapy water right now. And we'll slide that back in. Then on the side, we'll pop this down, pull out that filter, put in our new filter, clip that closed. Insert the new tank, line up the arrows on the top, and put in our new hose. And finally replace the headgear. So all we're going to do is pop this off. We are putting it in from the inside, and then putting it up approximately where we're going to need it, and Velcro that down. And the hose just fits right onto the adapter. You just press it in. You can see this swivels around very nicely. So that is the full 3-month service.